The course pathway is on by default when a student logs into Spellzone for the first time. The student will be prompted to complete the spelling ability test, which consists of progressively challenging questions that are linked to the Spellzone course material. When a student makes a certain number of errors, the test stops, producing a baseline score and a personalized learning pathway, known as the course pathway. You can view the course pathway by clicking on the Course Pathway tab in the center of the screen. A course pathway comprises of 8 Spellzone units. When a student logs in, they are prompted to work on their first unit. Once they complete the first unit, they are moved on to the next one, and so on until they have completed all 8 units of the course pathway. When a student has completed the 8th unit, the automatic testing activates. The student is retested, and their Spellzone score is updated and a new course pathway is created based on the result. If a student repeats errors similar to those from a previous test, they might be asked to repeat a unit and you will see an exclamation mark indicating this.